How to transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Binance. So if you want to transfer your crypto from Trust Wallet to Binance, first of all you open up your Binance account, right? So once you open up Binance, deciding after which crypto that we want to receive on Binance, we will simply go to this little option here and we will go to deposit. So here, let's say it is Bitcoin that we want to receive on Binance. We will simply select a network. Then this is our Bitcoin wallet address, so we will simply copy the wallet address that you will be able to find here, right? So simply go ahead and then make sure to copy the wallet address over here. And basically once you have copied this wallet address from Bitcoin or from Binance, now we will open up Trust Wallet here. So let me go ahead and open up the Trust Wallet app, and on Trust Wallet just go ahead and then log in. So on Trust Wallet, what we have to do is we have to go to send. Then since it is Bitcoin, we will simply select BTC here again, and once you select BTC, we will be able to simply select that, and we will simply paste the wallet address to which we want to send. That was our Binance wallet address, and we will be able to transfer it in that way. And this way you'll be able to transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Binance. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.